the vast silence of the cosmos, where stars blink across a black canvas and entire galaxies swirl in slow, graceful spirals. A question has haunted the minds of scientists and philosophers alike. Where is everybody? This is the Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who simply asked if the universe is so vast and old, and if intelligent life is likely to arise elsewhere, then why haven't we seen any sign of it? One answer to that question lies in a chilling, elegant, and deeply unsettling idea called the dark forest theory. Imagine the universe as a forest. To understand the dark forest theory, let's leave behind telescopes and rocket ships for a moment and step into a forest. Not just any forest, but a dark, ancient forest, stretching endlessly in all directions. It's silent, still. Every creature within it knows one thing. If you make a sound, you might be heard. And if you're hurt, you might be hunted. This metaphor comes from Chinese science fiction author Liu Cixin, who introduced the theory in his novel The Dark Forest, the second book in the Three-Body Problem trilogy. It's not just literary, it's a profound reflection on cosmic survival, the premises behind the theory. The dark forest theory rests on a few assumptions, each one rooted in both logic and the terrifying unknown. 1. Every civilization wants to survive. This is the universal constant. Whether it's human beings, alien empires, or machine-based intelligences, the desire to persist is foundational. 2. Resources are finite. In a universe where energy and matter are limited, civilizations may come to view others not as potential allies, but as potential threats or competitors. 3. You can never be sure of another civilization's intentions, even if you detect signs of alien life. Radio signals, starship emissions, artificial megastructures. You cannot know whether they are peaceful explorers or future conquerors. 4th, preemptive strikes may be rational. Given the above, the safest course of action may be to destroy any civilization you detect before they can do the same to you. This is the essence of the dark forest. In the cosmic wilderness, silence is safety. Noise, any signal that gives away your position, is a gamble with extinction. Why the silence? When we scan the skies with our radio telescopes and receive only static, it might not be because the universe is empty. It might be because it's quiet, deliberately so. Civilizations, according to this theory, may avoid broadcasting their existence. They may use encrypted communications, bury their technological signatures, or even destroy any civilizations they detect. Not out of malice, but out of sheer, cold logic. In this view, the Milky Way isn't buzzing with conversation. It's a graveyard, or at best, a silent standoff. Civilizations hiding, waiting, watching, and never speaking. Implications and reflections. The dark forest theory turns our optimistic vision of first contact on its head. Instead of peaceful greetings and shared knowledge, it suggests that the moment we shout into the cosmos, we invite danger. It recontextualized humanity's current efforts to contact alien life, like the Arecibo message or METI, messaging to extraterrestrial intelligence, as acts of incredible boldness or possibly folly. Could we be like a child, lighting a fire in a clearing, unaware that eyes are already watching from the shadows? Critiques and counterpoints. Not everyone agrees with the dark forest interpretation. Some argue that advanced civilizations would overcome fear through reason, or that cooperation would offer more long-term benefits than destruction. Others point out that if everyone followed the logic of the dark forest, then why haven't we seen evidence of someone striking first? Planetary destruction, cosmic scale warfare. And then there's the idea of technological transcendence, that advanced beings may evolve into forms of intelligence or existence beyond our comprehension, losing interest in us entirely. A final thought: the dark forest theory isn't just a solution to the Fermi paradox. It's a mirror reflecting our own fears, strategies, and behaviors onto the universe at large. Perhaps it says more about us, our history of conflict, our mistrust of the unknown, than it does about alien life. But it also asks a sobering question. If the cosmos is a dark forest, what kind of creature are we? Do we creep quietly, hoping not to be noticed? Do we risk a shout, hoping for a friend? Or has someone already heard us and chosen to remain silent in return? In the end, perhaps the scariest possibility is not that we are alone, but that we are not, and that everyone out there is just as afraid of being found as we are.